In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 39, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that religion is simple and straightforward, and a Muslim should not overburden themselves, as they will not be able to keep up with it. This means that a Muslim should always lead a simple religious and worldly life. Islam does not demand Muslims to overburden themselves in performing righteous deeds, but it in fact teaches simplicity, which is the most beloved religion to Allah, the Exalted. According to a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 287, a Muslim should firstly strive to fulfill their obligatory duties, which are undoubtedly within their strength to fulfill, as Allah, the Exalted, does not burden a Muslim with more than they can bear. This is confirmed in chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 286 of the Holy Quran.
Allah does not charge a soul except with that within its capacity.
Next, they should take some time out of their day to study Islamic teachings so that they can act on the Holy Quran and the established traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, according to their strength. This attracts the love of Allah, the Exalted, according to the narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6502. If a Muslim persists on this behavior, they will be provided with such mercy that they will fulfill all their duties towards Allah, the Exalted, and people, and find time to enjoy the lawful pleasures of this world without excess, waste or extravagance. This is how a Muslim makes things easier for themselves. And if they possess dependents, such as children, they should teach them the same, thereby making things easier for them also. Overburdening oneself makes things hard and can push one to completely quit, and relaxing too much will make things hard, as one will lose out on the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds through laziness. A balance is therefore best, which Islam always encourages, as Islam is simple. The lawful and unlawful are clear, easy to understand and easy to comply with. One must therefore not complicate things for themselves or their dependents by researching and acting on religious knowledge that is not rooted in the two sources of guidance, meaning the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. When one adheres strictly to these two sources, they will find Islam easy to understand and implement. Finally, by extension, one should strive to keep their worldly life simple. This is achieved when one strives for the material world, such as lawful wealth, according to their needs and responsibilities, while avoiding extravagance and waste. The more one adheres to this, the more relaxed their worldly life will become. When this is coupled with their simple religion, it leads to peace of mind and success in both worlds.